All right, we're making progress. So I cleared out all the magazines, QSTs, CQs, 73s. AI7R gave me like just all like back seat full of magazines. It filled up the back seat of the little car I had when I went to the Ham Fest, and then even more in the trunk of the car. And it's just a lot of stuff. So anyway, I basically got magazines from the 80s to 2015 or something. So I'm clearing all the stuff out. I've only got this shelf cleared. I'm going to put the oscilloscope up here. I don't know what I'm going to do with the ICOM. Probably put something down here. I don't know what I'm going to do with the 102. Maybe I'll put it there. So these two top shelves are going to go bye-bye. And a lot of this is going to get moved. The computer's going to have to get moved. The radio down there is going to have to get moved. Some stuff could go down here. So that's why I wanted to get rid of the magazines. They're actually pretty heavy too, so I'm going to put some stuff up here. I'm probably going to get rid of the ARRL books and the other books, put them somewhere else. Those are very valuable to have, honestly. Like, seriously, if you can't figure something out and you've got one of these, there's usually a lot of information in there. So, there's like a bunch of stuff. Anyway, sun decided to pop out again, kind of. We were in the midst of like a storm. So, this thing's finally doing something. It's really been bad today for testing this thing out. So we got 743 watts, mostly all coming from one particular array. Interesting that you lose quite a bit, it looks like. So we have 708 on one, 153 on the other, and only 743 is actually really going into the battery. If we look here, we'll probably be able to refresh this. This should look different than this. The page refreshes itself automatically, but only so often. Yeah, we see there's nothing for a really long time, and then it's now spiked up. So that was the rainstorm right there. I don't know what this negative consumption crap is. It says that it's battery discharge, but I'm not using the battery, so how is it discharging? And it's an exact mirror of this crap, which makes no sense. But anyway, so far we've yielded 4 kilowatt hours. It's been really bad the last couple of days. But anyway, I got to get back to what I'm doing here. We get this radio out here, get this radio out here, get that up over there, and we're ready to move these and put them somewhere. So that's the next problem, is putting them somewhere.